Best in Evening Gowns. And ladies and gentlemen, and the first award, Best in Evening Gowns, goes to contestant number 20. Miss Top Model is Best in Swimsuit. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, Best in Swimsuit goes to contestant number 27. Congratulations to number 27. You are the winner of Best in Swimsuit. Congratulations once again. And next we have Miss Intelligence. But after next, Miss Elegance. And the winner, Miss Social Media Queens, goes to number 27. Point for Shane. By the way, congratulations to the top 12.
So much.
All right, here's your question. If you win Miss Grand India, what would be your first responsibility as a title holder? Once again, if you win Miss Grand India, what would be your first responsibility as a title holder? Ready? And go.
Thank you so much for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the question. If I win Miss Grand India, there is nothing that I will change of myself because what I am tonight is what makes me Miss Grand India, what gives me that title. I will go back, maybe back at home to my state and thrive and strive to bring a drug-free life, not only in my state anymore, but in the whole country. My advocacy for Miss Grand India is for the youth to be aware and to prevent from drug abuse. And that is what I will do firsthand if I ever got the title. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, number 27. And next, hello, good evening.
Good evening, champ. How are you?
I'm great. All right, and now here's your question. What is one social cause in India you are passionate about and why? Okay, once again for the question. What is one social cause in India you are passionate about and why? 45 seconds.
Good evening, everybody. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying the show. Well, I'm passionate about girl-child education in so many parts of India. Girls are denied basic schooling. I believe that if a girl is educated, she does not just lift herself, but she lifts her entire family and community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, number 28. And now we have number 22. Final topic is advancing women empowerment in modern India. Once again, advancing women empowerment in modern India. And the first contestant, number 27. Okay, your final topic, advancing women empowerment in modern India. 45 seconds, go.
Thank you so much for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Back to my answer. Women empowerment is a hot topic here in India. My definition for a modern Indian woman is rise through struggle. Because each and every one of us is facing some kind of struggle. I have 27 other contestants with me, and each and every one of them are rising through their struggle. And this is how a modern Indian woman should rise. Because no matter the hardships, the challenges we may face, we are advancing towards the glory, to the grand crown. Every Indian woman wears her own crown, be it a golden crown, or be it the crown that her family makes her wear. And this is how a modern Indian woman can rise. Through her struggle, she will rise, she will step on the pedestal because that is what she is. Thank you.
Thank you so much, number 27. And next we have number 30, 28. All right. Now is your final topic, advancing women empowerment in modern India. You have time only 45 seconds. Ready? And go.
नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी। मैं एक सिर्फ महिला नहीं हूँ, मैं एक शक्ति हूँ, सोच हूँ और बदलाव हूँ। I am not just a woman, I am a strength, thought and a change. There was a time when women were told to stay silent, stay behind, but today we rise, we lead and we speak. Today I'm standing here not just for a crown, but for those girls who dare to dream big beyond limits. And let's build a world where we can celebrate every day for women, not just a one day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, number 28. And the last contestant. So 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, and one of these two incredible women will be crowned the new Miss Grand India 2025. And she will go on to represent India on the grand stage at Miss Grand International 2025 in Bangkok, Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand India 2025 is number 28. Vishaka Kanwa is the new Miss Grand India 2025. If that's mean the first runner-up is number 27, Walanu Chuangi. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your new Miss Grand India 2025, Vishaka Kanwa. And Vishaka Kanwa, please make your first form at the new Miss Grand India. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your new Miss Grand India 2025! And And now time I'd like to invite CJ Opiesa, Miss Grand International 2024 to present the award to the first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first runner-up of Miss Grand India. Waladu to Andy. India, is now your time to celebrating our new top 5 Miss Grand India 2025. And now time to please welcome on the stage Mr. Nawat Insarat Gaisin and Miss Grand International 2024 CJ Opiasa. And our national title of Miss Grand India, Mr. Rishi and Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you to all the incredible people of India and our supporters for making this unforgettable event possible. So thank you very much. To the show director by Rohit Sharma, backstage Dilip Sharma, light designer Dylan Merchant, music director Sam Tesela, visual artist Momit Taswani, hair and makeup by shade by Jesse Shabra, moment director Rishi Singh, photography Hayes, Ubras Latvia,